The BenQ TK710 4K Ultra HD HDR Laser DLP projector is designed to bring the ultimate cinematic and gaming experience right into your home. This is a projector that combines high-resolution visuals, advanced laser technology, and exceptional responsiveness, making it ideal for home theaters, gaming rooms, or even casual movie nights with friends and family. Its combination of sharpness, brightness, and immersive performance sets it apart in the premium projector market. At its core, the TK710 delivers true 4K resolution, displaying over 8 million pixels for crisp, detailed visuals. Movies, shows, and games all come to life with stunning clarity, making every scene rich and vibrant. Textures are sharply defined, colors are bold and accurate, and fast-moving action appears smooth and clear. For anyone who cares about image quality, this projector is a noticeable upgrade from standard HD projectors. HDR10 support further enhances the viewing experience, offering a greater dynamic range between bright highlights and dark shadows. Scenes gain depth, details in darker areas remain visible, and bright areas retain their vibrancy without appearing washed out. The overall effect is a more lifelike and cinematic picture that draws viewers into every frame. Laser projection technology ensures consistent brightness and longevity. The TK710 delivers up to 3,200 lumens of brightness, which means even rooms with moderate lighting won't compromise the image quality. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, the laser source provides up to 20,000 hours of reliable use. This long-lasting brightness ensures that the projector remains sharp and vivid over years of viewing, without the need for frequent maintenance or bulb replacements. For gamers, the TK710 offers a competitive edge. Its low input lag allows for responsive gameplay, making fast-paced games feel instantaneous and fluid. Combined with support for high refresh rates at 1080p, the projector ensures smooth motion and precise timing, perfect for console gaming, PC gaming, or multiplayer competitions. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any home setup. The projector comes with an H&A ceiling mount for easy installation, letting users adjust the throw distance and projection angle to suit their room layout. The compact and elegant design keeps the projector unobtrusive while still delivering professional-grade visuals. Connectivity options are versatile with HDMI 2.0 ports, USB, and audio outputs for integrating gaming consoles, streaming devices, or laptops. The TK710 also supports 3D content playback, ideal for immersive movie nights. Built-in speakers provide convenience, but pairing the projector with an external sound system or soundbar delivers a full cinematic audio experience. Color accuracy is exceptional, with the projector calibrated for natural, balanced tones straight out of the box. This eliminates the need for extensive adjustments and ensures that movies and games appear true to their original visuals. Overall, the BenQ TK710 4K Ultra HD HDR laser projector combines advanced laser technology, ultra-sharp 4K resolution, low-latency gaming performance, and HDR enhancement into a single, powerful device. Whether setting up a dedicated home theater or upgrading a gaming space, the TK710 offers a bright, immersive, and highly detailed projection experience that elevates both movies and gameplay. If you're looking to bring next-level visuals into your home, the BenQ TK710 bundled with the H&A ceiling mount provides a complete solution for cinematic entertainment and gaming excellence. Check the link in the description to get yours today.